Hey guys, welcome back to our plugin series. The new plugin we are looking at is what we call our AI playlist maker, which creates the songs we want for a Spotify playlist. So we would need to use an AI prompt and it can do variety of stuff. So it can transform our thoughts into a playlist, create a line for a music festival, or transform any music festival poster into a playlist, and you can do a lot of stuff here. So those are some of the stuff, but the idea here is you can create a playlist based on a prompt and you can export it to Spotify. And as I have personally faced this problem, so if you go to any custom created playlist, you basically pick can have a better assorted songs that are of interest to you. If you use a custom playlist, they generally play songs which might not be your favorite ones, but you end up listening because you might be too lazy to create your own playlist. So coming back to that, let's get to how we install that. Go to GPT-4 plugins, and in plugin, head to plugin store, all, go to page 7, uh, page 8. They keep adding new plugins, so that's why it's hard to figure out where exactly it is, and I also don't know why they don't have the search bar here. So here you can go to install this AI playlist, create Spotify playlist from any prompt. So we are going to do two prompts here. One prompt, I will just test it to create a unique let's basically unique English party songs. So let me say hip hop. Let me add the word party songs. Let's see, it creates it. And the second prompt I would be testing here is try to create an international playlist. Just see if it understands. Like, you can try French songs, you can try Spanish songs, you can try Hindi songs. So that's totally up to you. Whatever you listen to, you can actually create it. I don't know, this might be your favorite playlist or not. Just don't go by what it is, but just see what you can do with this. So let's click on this to see how it would look like. You can see our playlist is now ready, and this were the songs it created. There's God Plan, there's Sicko Mode, there is Humble, there's Bodak Hello. There are many songs, and if you don't like it, you can play around with this prompts and get what you want. And I think you can't add any number of playlists if you're not a paid Spotify user. Next one is let's try this prompt to see if it can create an international playlist for us. Cool. So if anyone who knows Hindi, you might know most of these songs. So that's a decent playlist. I wouldn't say it's best or bad, but it's a decent playlist. So again, you can export this to Spotify. So that's all I wanted to cover in this playlist series. I hope this helps, and hope you can listen to your favorite songs using this feature. If you like this plugin, see you with another plugin in the next video. Thank you for joining.